Time now is 6:03. The St. Jude Dream Home is coming along in La Quinta, and today is the last day you can buy a ticket to also win an early bird prize.
News Channel 3's Allie Anthony joining us now with everything you need to know. There's a lot to win here.
Yes, so today is the last day you can win that early bird prize. You still have a while to submit a ticket to buy the house, but today, again, this is your opportunity to maybe win both.
Yeah.
So could be a very exciting day for some people. Master Spas is giving away a Michael Phelps Legend Series LSX 900 hot tub with a cover. This is courtesy of Master Spas. But today, again, it's the last day to win this special prize. So get your tickets right now. Here is the phone number you can call to buy a $100 ticket. That number is 1-800-535-6748. While buying a ticket puts your name in the pot to win this home and the special prize, we have to remember what the Dream Home is really all about. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is leading the way. The world understands, treats, and defeats childhood cancer and other life-threatening diseases. The mission is simple: finding cures, saving children at no cost at all for families. One St. Jude mother sat with me to tell me the life-changing moment she found out her little girl, Alana, right there that you're looking at, had cancer.
To hear that your child has cancer, you immediately go into survivor mode. But because of donors, everything that they offer to the kids, everything that they offer to the families, to the caregivers, if you could think it, they have it for them. And it's possible because of the donors.
Alana went through 6 rounds of chemotherapy, but now she's cancer-free. And LaShaka never paid a single bill for Alana's treatment, making it easier for them to recover from this, of course, life-changing moment. This is just one example of how St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is changing our world one family at a time. And you can be a part of that change and help children just like Alana who need St. Jude. All you have to do to help is reserve your ticket for $100 and help St. Jude Children's Research Hospital continue its life-saving work. Transform your life with a brand new home or hot tub while saving theirs. At St. Jude, they won't stop until no child dies from cancer, and your ticket reservation makes that possible. I'm live in studio, Allie Anthony, News Channel 3.